I am so pumped for you to be attending the next Brand X workshop. Okay, this is a private workshop where you're gonna sit down right in front of us and we're gonna be working on your business all day long. Okay, as a business owner, you're a warrior. You've been in the trenches, okay? You've hustled, you've done all the work. Going to the next level of your business, you have to evolve from the warrior to the king. Okay, the warrior has to be able to step back from the business and look at the business because sometimes you need a break from your business. More importantly, sometimes your business needs a break from you. Okay, and that's what we're gonna be doing at the Brand X workshop, okay? We already talked a little bit about the foundations. Okay, the foundations actually align with the 4 different archetypes, okay? These are how we influence and these are how we are influenced by, okay? The lover, the magician, the warrior, and the king. Some people, okay, are influenced through different archetypes than they are others. The goal is to influence through all of them, but the biggest thing is these are the facts. What is the story, okay? That's gonna sell all those. Facts tell, stories sell. You got a story. We got to get better at telling that story because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what the joke is. It's how you tell the joke. Have you ever shared a joke and no one's laughed? Yeah, I've been there too. We've all been there, okay? Because it's not the joke, it's how we share the joke. It's not the story, it's how we share the story. People learn about storytelling, but they share the story, but it doesn't have the influence that they want because they don't know how to share stories. And we'll get that here in just a second. I want to talk about your marketing, okay? Your marketing is the blood of your business. Everything that you want in life, the car, the house, the vacation, taking your kids on trip, buying them clothes, whatever your thing is, everything revolves around marketing. Those who create the leads create the rules. I want you to create more rules in your life. So we got to get better at marketing. There's 3 ways of marketing. Okay, 1, we can wait for clients to show up. Okay, referrals. That's what a lot of people's businesses are. Top 3 way of people generating leads is usually referrals. And usually they're sitting around waiting for them. There's no way you could build a business doing that. Okay, next one, okay, is you go and try to find clients. All right, you're out there networking, you're out there DMing people, you're out there sitting in the sides of communities, waiting for someone to say, I need someone like you. All right, where we have to live is we have to be able to create clients. Okay, reactive, proactive, interactive, okay? Reactive, proactive, interactive. You have to be interactive. We have to be able to say, when we do this, this, and this, out pops a client, okay? Next one, how do you serve people? AKA, what's your business model? Sometimes we're working a business model that inevitably is just not gonna work at the level we want it to work. Okay, this was my problem earlier in business, is I was trying to work a model that inevitably wasn't going to work. Okay, so we need to look at your business model. And then lastly, what's your sales process? All right, if you would have asked me when I broke $100,000, Travis, do you know sales? Absolutely, I am so good at sales. I'm the best at sales. Truth is, I wasn't good at sales, okay? You could always get better at your sales process, all right? So through the full day, we're gonna dive deep into all of this. So you have the date below, okay? You have all the stuff that you need. You absolutely need to be here. This will transform your life. But if you're not sold quite yet, please don't leave the page. Go check out the other video because I promise you this. The skill set I'm gonna teach you about storytelling is gonna make everything worth it, okay? Again, my name's Travis Brady, okay? I've helped people over the last 10 years build their brand, build their business, and create the life of their dreams, and I would love to do the same for you, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Good talk.